Hello there! Ever wish you could get meeting transcripts without lifting a finger? Well, now you can, with ChatGPT's record mode. It's available on the ChatGPT desktop app for Mac, and you'll need a Pro, Team, Enterprise, or Edu plan. It's not on the free version or for Windows just yet. Here's how to use it. Open the ChatGPT app and start a new chat. At the bottom, click the microphone icon that says Record. The first time, you might need to allow mic access. Start speaking. ChatGPT listens and transcribes everything in real time. You can pause or stop the recording anytime. Once you're done, hit send. It'll generate a full transcript, a summary, and even action points automatically. You can edit it, ask ChatGPT to turn it into an email, or just save it for later. And yes, it's included with your plan. No extra cost, up to 2 hours per session. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helps you work smarter and save time.